Welcome to Automation Fair 2023 in Boston. I'm Amanda Joshi, the managing editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. Today we are here with nVent HOFFMAN and Alex Vanderweide. Alex, can you tell me more about your company?
Yes, certainly, Amanda. So nVent HOFFMAN is a global system provider. We make systems resilient, we protect automation and control systems, and we do that for a wide range of verticals, from industrial, commercial, infrastructure, and renewable energy.
And how does your technology partner here in the program, and what value does that bring to you guys and your customers?
Yeah, tremendous value, because Rockwell is a thought leader and our relationship goes back a long time. We started with enclosures a long time ago, but now we're really a software industrialized company. So, for instance, we help customers to design electrical panels, and by building a digital twin we automate, let's say, the whole downstream process from connected manufacturing to connected workers. The thing is that these are data-driven business models, and to make this really work, to get the full potential out of these software initiatives, by partnering with Rockwell we are providing really rich content to power up that DTM software, the design to manufacturing software that we offer, to get the full potential out. So the relationship with Rockwell is very strong.
And there's been a lot of buzz here at your booth. What are you highlighting here at the show today?
Well, a lot of new innovations. I think we're showing 3 new technology platforms. DTM was one that I just explained. Another one is energy storage. We have acquired a company in Europe that brings us new technology that we're pairing with technology that we have on the data center side. We're already, as a company, cooling the toughest applications out there, like big data centers, that more and more with artificial intelligence there is still more and more heat capacity. So we need to cool that. So what we're doing is we're combining that technology also for battery energy storage, where we are bringing actually water inside the enclosure directly into the battery cells, and that way we cool it. And yeah, we are one of the leading companies to provide that solution.
That's great. Who are your typical users of your product?
A typical user of our product is basically anyone that is in the automation and control space. And that's great, because everything gets smarter nowadays. We get smart buildings, smart manufacturing processes. So those are verticals. But if you think about customers, it could be a panel builder that is looking for our machines to really automate his panel building process, and for the software to enable that. It could be a system integrator that really wants to work with a supplier that helps him to keep automation control systems safe.
And here at Automation Fair, this is one of the top shows to be at, to see the top companies here in the industrial automation industry. And if you want more information on nVent HOFFMAN, you can check out the website on your screen. I'm Amanda Joshi. Thanks for watching.